$5,000 and $5,000. I spent $10,000 today. Traveling is not vacation, it's just work with a different view, and that's why I love trading. Look at our patio. Last night was pretty crazy. We had a really fun time. Loki really liked my fit today. I'm rocking the pink. So I made $1,965 today. What's up, guys? We're back with another video. Today I'm going to Mexico for the next week. Gonna vlog the whole thing. We're going to Cancun. I'm stoked and excited, but I'm gonna show you guys what it's like to be a day trader and be able to travel whenever you want, work from wherever you want, and just a week in my life in Mexico. All right, we just got to Mexico, and in our room, check it out, it's a little room tour. Look at our patio. Freaking sick. Room is absolutely beautiful. It's now 1 p.m. I have a couple hours to just chill, and then I have to do my accelerator class tonight. So although I'm in Mexico, I still have work every single day. It's like traveling is not vacation, it's just work with a different view, and that's why I love trading. Alrighty, guys, so doing a class with the accelerator students. During the time of the accelerator, it's basically every single day for 2 to 3 weeks. So I'm doing a class with them right now, and then right after I'm hopping off and going straight onto a class with the mentorship students, since every single Monday at 8 p.m. Eastern, I hop on with the mentorship students. I review all of their trades one by one. I tell them what they're doing right, what they're doing wrong, and how to basically fix it. So I'm about to go and knock out these classes right now for the next 2 or 3 hours. Today's lesson, we're going over exits, catching big wins, and risk management. So you guys know when to enter. You guys know what to look for. Now what I'm gonna go over is what I look for when I'm exiting trades and what you need to look for when you're looking to exit a trade, as well as how we hold runners, how we calculate our risk to reward, and how strict we need to be with our risk management. Because as I've said before, the only thing that separates your trading from gambling is the fact that we have risk management. We're able to calculate our odds. We're able to minimize our drawdown. And I say this over and over and over again, but don't forget what I always say about the coin flip. You will need to put yourself in a position where you're the person who's getting paid at least 2 to 3 times when you're right compared to when you're wrong. At the very, very, very least, you need to be at least a 1 to 2 risk to reward. At least a 1 to 2 risk to reward. Because therefore, with the 1 to 2 risk reward, you can still have a 50% win rate and still make money. So a part of my win rate being so high is because I wait for that 5-minute close and I do quality over quantity. I would say if you're somebody who's taking a little bit more trades, which you shouldn't be, then you need to have way more of a hard stop. For sure, more of a hard stop. Those are 2 other alternatives, and I'm not telling you guys one is better than the other, but I'm saying that you have the option to do what you want based on your trading, and this is where journaling comes in, and where journaling is so important. How was today's class, and how has the accelerator been so far, team? How do you guys feel? How do you guys feel? Are you guys happy about your investment? Good morning, guys. So starting off, today market's looking pretty weak. My top watches are going to be Tesla. Tesla was really weak yesterday and is also a weak pre-market. We're going to watch Tesla under prior day low for any retest. You have Oracle pretty weak, MU weak, also watch that under pre-market low, and Hood weak, we'll also watch under pre-market low. My top watches are going to be Tesla under prior day low for a retest. I like to see the whole market show signs of weakness before doing anything, so let's see what happens. Let's stay patient and let's crush it. All right, guys, so I just finished trading today. I ended up taking a small loss. It was $1,000 loss. 17% on QQQ. I think the market is actually waiting for Trump's announcement tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern with Iran. So basically Trump said Tuesday, 8 p.m. Eastern, he just tweeted it, and the market's waiting for that, which is why the conditions have been a little bit rougher. But last couple weeks have been very, very, very green. I'm okay to take a small red day. It is what it is, $1,000 loss, and I stopped trading for the day. Most traders, when they take a loss, they go and they try and win their money back, and that usually puts you in a spiral of losing and losing and losing and losing. So when I take one loss of the day, I like to just stop, be done, and accept that I was wrong and move on to the next day. I'm about to now go hit the gym and then chill at the pool for a little bit. All right, fit check. Yeah. With my boy Ashton.
All time.
We're now going to this restaurant called Shambo. I low-key really like my fit today. I'm rocking the pink. Men wear pink. But I'm sure you guys should be a sick spot.
Yeah, I said $500 fast. I said that's nothing slight though, you know what I mean? Run that. I was born.
This place is sick. Look at the walkway. Where is this taking us, guys? I don't even know where we're going. We're going to the adventure, I think. Hey, Ash, I don't really mess with you with all this, bro. This is so creepy. Alright, spot Shambo. Got the show right in front of us. Got some friends. What do they want to say?
Like and subscribe!
Hey, subscribe to POV Investing, bro. Hey, came up to me, he was sub, so he gets to be in the video. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Or 50% of you aren't for no reason. Life is good when you're a day trader.
POV, you and your friends locked in just like you said you would.
Skull emoji!
Twitter, no gram, just feel. Posted in the trap, said EDD. Call of Duty on me, not robbing me. Left wrist on lottery, got cottage cheese. I'm on win mode, no stopping me.
What's up, guys? Good morning. It is 9:48 a.m. and I just finished trading. As you guys can see, last night was pretty crazy. We had a really fun time, but yeah, I just finished trading today. I still got on it in the morning. It was a really hard day because the market gapped up 3% pre-market. We still had a good day. I took a small win on Microsoft, and as you can see, the whole team did as well. All the greens in the chat. It was an alright day. I'll show you guys a trade that I took for the Microsoft. So you go to the 5 minute. We got under this 380 psychological level. It was under pre-market low also. We got a retest. I entered puts here and then sold most of 25% here. Then it was taking too long, so just got out the rest. And that was the trade. Also sized down today because it's just bad price action overall. But I basically made back my loss from yesterday. Made a little bit over $800. Super small day. It's crazy because, you know, you guys will see me make $4,000 or $5,000, $6,000 in a day, and then there's days where my days look like a couple $100s, and that's just because I don't want to be risk on versus risk off. And small wins are okay. Small wins are part of the process, and base hits add up. So small win today. Now I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of my day, probably in the pool. I got so burnt. Look at me. Got burnt. But it's cool. I laid in my bed today and made some money. I spend probably like genuinely at least 20 to 30,000 a month on my content. I'm not joking. Full-time videographer, full-time editor, maybe like around that 20. Clippers, all that. And it's because I just want to bring my message to as many people as I could. So as you see, I just paid a $5,000 invoice right now for the editing of my YouTube videos for this month. It's okay, I love it. And I love making content and showing my story and inspiring people. And that's why I do this. Now I have to pay another $5,000 invoice for something else with my content. So I just paid it, another $5,000. So as you could see, $5,000 and $5,000. I spent $10,000 today on content stuff. Now I actually have to pay the invoice for my office as well, so go ahead and do that. People think like, oh, you know, you just make so much money and it's all like, no, there's expenses with the stuff as well. $37.50 now. Last $37.50 done, so spent $13,750 in my bed in Mexico right now. But this is just business and stuff for my brand. and reinvesting into myself. We absolutely crushed it this morning. I was out so late last night, but still woke up, got to it, and let me show you guys how much I made today. So I made $1,965 today. Watching Coin 170 puts, taking some 15%, 30%, 70%. Personal record, PB, you're a genius. 1,400, 500, 226, 250, 100, 500, 300. Look at all the W's. Team and I crushed it today. And I'm not gonna show you guys why I took the trade or anything. This was the trade. 70% winner. But I actually just posted a YouTube video as well, how I made $1,965 in bed while in Mexico. So if you want to learn about the trade I took today, how I made about $2,000 in less than 30 minutes, make sure you go watch that video. It's out now on my channel. And now I'm just gonna enjoy the rest of my day before my class with the mentorship students later tonight. Great day. And like, this is literally like the best part about trading. I know I keep saying this, but it was never about the money. It was never about the money. It was about the freedom. Like, so that I could do this, what I'm doing now. And this is why you need to never give up. It really is. Hey guys, so it is now 7 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Mexico time, and I'm about to hop on a class with some of the students. Basically going to do a recap of the last couple of weeks, price action, as well as answer questions, and these are things that we do weekly in the mentorship, so really more than weekly. But yeah, I'm about to do that right now. And then by the way, I'm also with my family on this trip too, and it's like my little sister's spring break. So right now there's a lot of families, like a lot of people from my hometown here. Right now they're taking pictures and stuff. It's called White Night. I personally couldn't make it because I have to do this class, but it's no worries. This is what my priority is, New Age. So gonna do this, then try and meet them at the restaurant. Ilios is what it's called. Bring you guys with me so we knock out this class right now for New Age. Alright guys, so last night went to this spot called Ilios. I'm sorry for not vlogging today or last night that much. Today I slept in, didn't trade today. I almost like never do that, to be honest, but I decided to do it today because I just could not sleep last night. I was up till freaking 4 a.m. talking to one of my boys about God. Literally talking about God. I wish the conversation was recorded. Next time we talk about it, I'm going to, but it was a freaking mind-blowing conversation. Literally till 4 a.m. And then today I just was chilling at the pool, smoking cigars with some of my boys. Now we're going to dinner. I'm gonna bring you guys with me. We're going to this place called Taboo. Should be cool. So let's have a night. We low key, before this, we were bored and the Pistons were playing and the Pistons were plus 180 and all of our boys, like we all put together like some money and bet on them and we hit. It was, I think total was like 3,500 to win like 9,500. I only gamble if I'm usually at the game, but I don't know why I just wanted to gamble and I was like, all right, screw it. And I did, and it was cool. We won some money. See if the spot Taboo is good, and this is the fit for it right now. Yo, so I spent the day at the pool playing volleyball in the ocean, and bro, my face is actually peeling horribly. Anyways, although we're on vacation, we're not missing church, so I'm going to church right now, Saturday at 6:30 p.m. because I have a flight tomorrow, and I just, I'm gonna get home tired tomorrow, so I just want to make sure I go today and go to church. So bring you guys with me, then we're going to a pretty sick dinner spot and potentially a club after. Hey guys, I shot a whole outro for this video and the audio completely cut out. So it's the night before this video is supposed to get posted at 1:19 a.m. I needed this video. I need to get a message out there. And it's that I don't want you guys to watch my videos and think that, oh, I need to be like PB in Mexico making all this money right now. Because the truth is you're not in competition with me, you're in competition with yourself. And you thinking you're in competition with me is gonna absolutely kill that. So what you need to be focusing on is becoming 1% better every single day. Not being better than me, not being better than anybody else, but being 1% better every single day. And something that I've learned a lot recently as I've just been growing and seeing a lot of the fruits in my success is that a lot of people focus so much on what you're doing and how much you're making and the success that you're having. And it's because in their hearts, they don't want people to be ahead of them. But that's false. That'll keep you behind in life, focusing on other people. Focus is so important. You need to be happy for others' wins and completely focus on yourself. I pray you guys all become successful. I want you guys to be the best possible versions of yourself. And that's why after this video, I'm making a big change in my content. And a lot of my next videos that you're gonna see on Sundays are gonna be really meaningful videos. Really meaningful videos with a lot of meaning behind all of them. Not just like me showing sick stuff, but me really going deep into my thoughts and how I feel as a person and how I operate and how I act and what it really looks like to have success and freedom and the truth, not just what, people decide to show you. So I love every single one of you guys. I want you guys to know that I'm rooting for you. I'm rooting for you. If nobody's rooting for you, I'm rooting for you. And I hope you keep going and I hope you succeed. And I believe you could. And I believe if you give it your all, it's impossible you fail. And I just want everybody to reach their full potential. And I'm really excited for you guys to see I want you guys, I've been journaling this whole journey on social media, right? I've been journaling everything. And I just can't wait till you guys see what my next stage looks like, because this is the start of my journey, right? This is the start of my journey. And right now I'm right here. I have so much room where I'm gonna grow and so much more that I'm going to succeed. And I'm gonna show you guys all of it, the whole process. So I'm super excited to show you guys all of that. And just stay tuned because it's gonna get real. It's gonna get real. And I might lose subscribers for all the meaningful stuff I'm gonna post, but it's my calling. I want to be more real with the videos and more meaningful and just show, the truth about what others don't show you. So I love you guys all. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If I can do it, then you could too. My goal is to motivate and show you guys and bring as many people close to God, most importantly. Just show you guys that anything is freaking possible. Literally anything. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for all the support. See you guys every Sunday at 3 p.m. Eastern. I'm also thinking about adding another video in the middle of the week, more trading related, and then a Sunday video where it's meaningful, just me and my life. So if you're still watching this video, drop a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.